Hello. Welcome back to another healing session. Today we're going to be doing tuning forks as well as crystals. And of course, I'll be sending Reiki to you. But first, let's cleanse our space. We're going to use our Palo Santo to cleanse the energy space. We're clearing out the energy of any negativity and leaving behind just pure, clean, white light. Beautiful, clean energy. This energy that surrounds you has all the healing properties. Next, I want you to find a comfortable place to sit or lay down. Let's take some cleansing breaths together. We're going to go in through the nose and out through the mouth. One more time. I'm going to start by using some tuning forks. And you can just sit back and relax while we do this. The tuning forks. You'll hear the first one is 528 megahertz. Next, we're going to use a weighted 128 megahertz. This one vibrates, but you will not hear anything unless I put it very close to the microphone. You'll just be hearing the vibration. Let's start. Also going to use an ohm 136 hertz weighted tuning fork. Ready? Hopefully you can feel the vibrations coming through. One more time. to use our angel tuning fork. This is 4,096 hertz in a C note. Let's try that one more time. One more time. To send you some Reiki. Sending you Reiki energy. The Reiki will go wherever it's supposed to go. Now, I want to cleanse your aura with this clear quartz. I want to use the magic and energy and everything beautiful about crystals to send so much love and positivity your way. I hope you enjoyed today's healing. Until next time, be well.